We'll guide you through how to unsave Figma changes. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they sometimes make mistakes or unwanted edits in their Figma files and want to return to an earlier version. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Click Login with Browser on the Start screen. After clicking this option, you will automatically be redirected to your web browser to complete the login process. On the login page, choose the login method you want to use. For example, continue with Google. Select the account you normally use to sign into Figma so the system can verify your identity. Once the authentication process is completed, click Open the Desktop app to return to the Figma desktop application. After the application loads successfully, open the Figma file where you want to unsave changes or restore a previous version. Next, locate the main menu icon in the top left corner of the interface and click it to open the application menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select File to access file-related options. Inside the File menu, select Show Version History. This will open the Version History panel, which usually appears on the right side of the screen. In the Version History panel, you will be able to see several saved versions of the file that Figma automatically recorded during previous editing sessions. These versions represent earlier states of the design before the most recent changes were made. You can review these versions one by one by clicking on them to preview the design at that specific moment. Carefully check each version to find the one you want to unsave or the version you want to return to. Once you have found the correct version, right-click on that version in the Version History panel. From the context menu that appears, select Restore this version. After selecting this option, Figma will restore the file to the chosen version and replace the current state of the document with that earlier version. This action effectively removes the unwanted changes that were made after that version was saved. Review the version that has been restored on the canvas to ensure the design has returned to the desired state. Check the layout, layers, and objects carefully to confirm that the restored version matches the version you intended to recover.